Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Ghana in same TVGH so what friend me Adjoa set him. Ebusianfo money or that screen is or your journalist Odi Juma or Accra FM ono ena o host the Citizen Show what friend and Nana Otudako ebia wunshia ne da sa na ne dente na oti radio so keken kwase asem say his essence John Dramani Mahama be fa akondwa ne recording yentum ye mrika ketwa. Inti NDC youth na almost so munya dwumanya omo pese omo ye demonstration ade no omo nto omo bu na NPP fo anya omo na what say miracle aboagemo na NPP fo mpanifu bi akwa akotena dem are planning.
Anyhow we think about it, Muntaka will work against NDC. Me, I'm not here to hold brief for him. I don't even know him. Whether I know him or not, I don't care. But the most important thing is that Sir agenda no MP before certain, we should not sing along. 80 MPP parliamentarian, me say, about 113 million there. Is it 111 million? Forms were, you know, and this is should return that forms. To one I apply, you know. And yes, sir, you MPP were in power for 8 years. Why not more returning forms, man? You think we don't think? You were in power for 8 years. MPP was in power for 8 years. 8 years, you know. Why not more returning the forms, man, after sales? 80. So for the past 8 years as MPP, one man returning any applicant forms a man because of the person was disqualified. What moral turpitude you guys willed to tell us people should return their forms? My grassroots funding, we don't need any advice from the MPP. Kamu will be in community opposition. Mama Muntia Futumetia. Mumutia Ghana for Futua and MPP. Are you in opposition now? The disrespect, the disdain. And Yamana, I have for Soros or Kroma. I did one mumu okrom and ne mumu mube catches will be far from a movie. In 8 years when you were in power, what did you do? Inti potoka sami obrofibi. You see, he who seeks equity must come with clean hands. He who seeks equity must come with clean hands. Sanka MPP yadi ya. Inti abusuya anka nanimu ntiana sanka MPP for 8 years Ghana for Samoa anka mu opposition when we were telling them say dum swaba omo my timetable my topoko prempa na oye nyina mahoden so afọ ka kire yen say Ghana for na say dum swaba yen fa timetable mara on kwame sefa kan show abra plow hin ka say President John Dramani Mahama ebeye yi block akenwuram omampeni akufado meye maye no na nado danko akufado on kwame sefa kan show e ka say adeno him pono ankasa enkonkoye. That is how they disrespected Ghanaians. See refia me kabo sankrofo ya omudwen said they think of Ghana better than us. This is how they destroy this country. This is how they destroyed the fabrics of this country. I'll not go into the economic metrics because it's before us. But me tell say, si epobia to John Mahama fo, si epobia to Muntaka fo, si epobia to IGP, anasa NBC abai we fo, CPP fo to ayebesum. PPP, to ayebesum. Never can't say, UP plus, mobile to me to abai we fo, yebesum, because we and Crawford mu dwene wo man ho, but not MPP. Look at this Auditor General report. Look at the dream Keta Senate prayer. Chrono.
Afa NDC phone say omo be keje agumana NDC youth na NDC grassroots ni so omo bu afu no mo sabotage ye NDC party way nkwasase no wakeke bi pa na medense ne bebro na abusuafo me pese be ka kire NDC phone no omo grassroots o omo mpanifo omo ministers o including John Dramani Mahama Nemu and a NDC journalist for no. I am putting it to you. Say, including Obi Mabubomudi na Omunim said they are not working. He says John Dramani Mahama be fa kon me ka be no dey atu. Me say yade as almost swear on the 7th January no. Senya Bible no mudi kra politicians no and no modi antoa kosua national pa ka wo kasa wo ye defender na wo kasa na tender strike you down na we kwase ewu because o man no be bradwen ye adwuma. You see sometimes ye kasa na ya ye hurt because we should done ye celebrate 65 years ne hwe be Ghana ye wa enye NPP no mbeba no mba introduce nyama one or two a benefit to mine na che say 65 years we are just useless mo de anya hwe a enyeje. Other African countries no sanity but Ghana can exceptional because other countries they respect Ghana, they respect us. Of course in number one or two be Ghana ha is good when it comes to electricity, though sometimes lights in danger and so na de Nigeria munya ne sa enema kitinkiti bi ya kasa aban ne te da de like insecurity home. But aside then Ghana ye useless oh. We are totally useless or my useless pan ye will be sad. Most of them John Dramani Mahama buy and why are they? What tier more prizes so he's the best president ever to exist in the country. Like seriously. Now the other drones buy yeah. The other drip machines buy yeah. The other free SHS buy yeah. The other Ghana card buy yeah. The other akwanye. The other interchange yeah. The other akwanya 1 year green book. It's why akwanya exist no. Only the most of evil. But the oba no be ya akwanya the good green book ma. Akwanya green book no. Akwanya time penny woman exist no. I want the one who our choir de over 1 million vote to 2 no. Wasan swaba. Oba in say one NDC party that's who know. You are praising such party. Na mu jai party and the mobrofo enyafo. And abofra or UK almost all you need degree as a PhD o den. In your free SHS, free SHS ne ba no. Nyame ya aduna ne mame to otumi ko bi odi banche na brode e de ko wie na resource ye na beto internet no so. And aban no hu ne mobo man scholarship and nipa we ho na kwako hu no. You people should stop fooling. And this fool, stop fooling. What do you take us for? What do the NDC take Ghanaians for? And I'm more stressed is and I'm more baying a monsana and I a damn bon NDC for the sano. My point was so people are complaining that there's no money in the system. So they are not buying anything. The marketers are crying. Omo magazine full esu. Aboso kan full su. Omo tomo angwa jende inchi. Everybody is crying. Everybody is crying. In fact, everyone is crying in the country because there's no money in the system. And come on, the woman dollar rate in Johnny. Na ya hon toye. Dollar rate no stabilizing. See no again in strength. But we are still suffering. We are suffering like no one's business. We are suffering like we do not have any president in the country. And so Shabrana Dr. Bawumia, a vice president, no, she not value or Yamagana. Look at the things and not Dr. Bawumia. And so yes, and this is to me a propaganda as if the Dr. Bawumia is useless. And so there, do we have vice president in the country currently as I'm speaking? Do we have vice president? No, we do not have. We do not have vice president in the country because say you're vice president or you're useless. I'm not insulting you, man, with all due respect. I am not attacking your personality, but I'm attacking your position as a vice president. You are just useless because because I mean, what kind of nonsense is this? And you have the guts, you have the authority, like you have the nerves to sit on radio say, international price is now kosoro. Are you trying to tell me that now to be your president international market and drop it and I say anchor up? Kelvin Taylor Beka say Iran na US na Israel to kwano. Kosona say fewer prices they do 18 kra. NDC communicators no, they should just thought Ghanaians say into kwana abaninti na fi won akọ 18 cities no munja ye omuntu me sha buy no. Oh, like seriously, do you know what COVID-19 did? COVID-19 unim ne ye unim the Russia or Ukraine or the Russia and Ukraine kwan so COVID-19. Do you know what COVID-19 did? ɛwɔ nanado ne penso nso motena ase sɛ nanado nye nipa nanado ama na Ghana ɛkɔ ditch nanado ɛsɛ ɔman Ghana ina the John Dramani Mahama to kwa about few on the 18 cities kwana we shouldn't hold him responsible and this for when you're free for na mo aso na asisi se mo aso asisi mo yan kan ye spiritual na nko mu jizem kokwa akuafo mu ntu omo ko ya te se mo san so abete omo prices ne so bi from 400 Ghana cedis to 3001 reduction asanso aba papa bi akotena TV so say legacy kese a John Dramani Mahama eja wo Ghana ha no ene say waba the first president waba niema prices akọ down air connect ya na ekọ a big legacy you are a very stupid person who can answer niema prices unu niema prices kwa ekọ soro what kokọ akuafo pay so 3000 akọ 2500 sanso aba beti so nurses munche woka teachers munche omoka eniema boa ye de ye ntumi nto light damn